The deep sea, it is a realm of mystery and wonder. It is the largest habitat on Earth, yet it remains largely unexplored. It is Earth's final frontier. This vast expanse lies beneath the sunlit surface waters. It is a world of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure and frigid temperatures. Despite these extreme conditions, life thrives in the deep. The deep sea begins at about 200 meters below the surface. This is where sunlight fades and the twilight zone begins. As we descend further, we enter the aphotic zone where no sunlight penetrates. The pressure increases by an atmosphere, or 14.7 pounds per square inch for every 10 meters of depth. This means that at the deepest point in the ocean, the Challenger, deep in the Mariana Trench, the pressure is over 1,000 times that at the surface. Despite these challenges, the deep sea teems with a remarkable diversity of life. Over millions of years, creatures have evolved unique adaptations to survive in this extreme environment. Some have developed bioluminescence, using chemical reactions to create their own light in the darkness. Others have evolved bizarre body shapes and sensory systems to navigate and find food. The deep sea is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life itself. Exploring the deep sea is a daunting task. It requires specialized equipment and technology. Submersibles, remotely operated vehicles or ROVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles or AUVs allow us to venture into this challenging environment. These tools help us to observe and study the deep sea ecosystem. They also help us to collect samples and data. Yet we have only scratched the surface of understanding this vast and mysterious world. The deep sea is home to a dazzling array of life forms, each uniquely adapted to survive in this extreme environment. One of the most iconic deep-sea creatures is the anglerfish. This fish has a bioluminescent lure dangling from its head, which it uses to attract prey in the pitch-black waters. The giant squid, a creature of legend, is another denizen of the deep. This enormous animal, reaching lengths of up to 43 feet, has been rarely observed in its natural habitat, adding to its mystique. Another fascinating deep-sea inhabitant is the tubeworm. These creatures live in close proximity to hydrothermal vents, which are underwater geysers that spew hot, mineral-rich water. Tubeworms have no mouth or digestive system. They rely on symbiotic bacteria living within their bodies to convert chemicals from the vents into energy. This process, known as chemosynthesis, forms the basis of the unique ecosystems found around hydrothermal vents. Many deep-sea creatures have evolved unusual adaptations to cope with the lack of light. Some, like the anglerfish, have developed bioluminescence, using chemical reactions within their bodies to produce light. Others have extremely sensitive eyes that can detect the faintest glimmer of light produced by bioluminescent organisms. Some creatures have even lost their eyes altogether, relying on other senses like touch and smell to navigate and find food. The deep sea is also home to a variety of gelatinous creatures such as jellyfish and salps. These animals have adapted to survive the crushing pressure by having bodies that are mostly water. This allows them to withstand the immense weight of the water column without being crushed. They play a crucial role in the deep sea food web, feeding on smaller organisms and serving as prey for larger animals. Hydrothermal vents are perhaps one of the most remarkable discoveries in the deep sea. These vents, discovered in 1977, are fissures in the ocean floor where geothermally heated water spews out. They are often found near volcanically active areas such as mid-ocean ridges. The water from these vents is rich in dissolved minerals, including sulfides, which provide the basis for a unique and thriving ecosystem. The discovery of hydrothermal vents revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth. Before their discovery, scientists believed that all life on Earth ultimately depended on sunlight for energy. However, the organisms around hydrothermal vents thrive in the absence of sunlight. They rely on chemosynthesis, a process where bacteria use energy from the chemical bonds in sulfides and other minerals to produce food. Hydrothermal vents support a surprising diversity of life. Tubeworms, giant clams, mussels, shrimps, and crabs are just some of the creatures that call these vents home. These animals have formed unique adaptations to survive the extreme temperatures, high pressure, and toxic chemicals found around the vents. The discovery of these thriving ecosystems in such an unlikely environment has expanded our understanding of where life might exist, both on Earth and potentially on other planets. The study of hydrothermal vents has also provided valuable insights into the origins of life on Earth. Some scientists believe that life may have originated in environments similar to hydrothermal vents. The chemical reactions that occur in these vents could have provided the building blocks for the first life forms. Further exploration and research of hydrothermal vents may hold the key to unlocking some of the mysteries surrounding the origins of life on our planet. Exploring the deep sea is a challenging but rewarding endeavor. The extreme conditions of pressure, darkness, and temperature make it a hostile environment for humans and their equipment. However, technological advancements in submersibles, remotely operated vehicles or ROVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles or AUVs have allowed us to delve deeper and explore further than ever before. These technological advancements have led to a surge in deep-sea discoveries. New species are constantly being discovered, each more bizarre and fascinating than the last. We are gaining a better understanding of the complex interactions between deep-sea organisms and their environment. We are also uncovering new information about the geological processes that shape our planet. However, the deep sea is not immune to the impacts of human activities. Pollution, particularly plastic pollution, is a growing threat to deep-sea ecosystems. Climate change is also having a significant impact, leading to ocean warming, acidification, and deoxygenation. These changes threaten the delicate balance of deep-sea ecosystems. The deep sea, despite its remoteness, is an integral part of our planet's life support system. It plays a vital role in regulating climate, cycling nutrients, and providing habitat for a vast array of species. It is essential that we continue to explore and understand this mysterious realm. We must also strive to protect it from the threats posed by human activities. The future of the deep sea, and indeed the health of our planet, depends on it.